Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to make a quick video with you to share with you exactly how to make $100 very quickly online if you're dead broke, because I figured this out. It's easy money online. This is not some sham or scam or anything. Check it out. You have to check it out for yourself because it's amazing. I'm doing it myself. Let's jump into the computer and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. This is my YouTube channel right here. Subscribe if you haven't done that already. But what I want to show you is it's an affiliate product for ClickFunnels. This is actually ClickFunnels affiliate bootcamp. The bootcamp is totally free to join. I'll leave a link down below where you can do that. But in the bootcamp, they teach you a bunch of super affiliates, teach you how they made tons of money being affiliates. So it's just great information. What they're hoping for, why they offer it for free, which they could charge thousands of dollars for, but why they offer it for free is because they're hoping you become an affiliate of ClickFunnels and sell their products and programs and stuff. You don't have to though. You can use this information to sell whatever you want. Great information, totally free. Again, I'll leave that link down below. But what the benefit of this is, after you go through the training, learn some stuff, and you can even do it before the training, but I definitely recommend taking advantage of the free training. What you're going to do is one of their products or programs that they sell is this right here, the One Funnel Away Challenge, okay? It's create and launch your first or next funnel totally from scratch in just 30 days. Now, here's the thing. This program costs $100, right? Their commission that they're giving you is 100%. So you get 100% of the $100. Now, the really great thing about this is a lot of people who you refer to the One Funnel Away Challenge then end up joining ClickFunnels, subscribing to ClickFunnels and having a ClickFunnels account. Now, the great thing about being a ClickFunnels affiliate, because you need to be a ClickFunnels affiliate to sell this and get your $100. But the great thing is they do a great job of, once they have the customer in the One Funnel Away Challenge, on pitching them their software, right? And their software costs between $97 and $297 a month. And they give you a commission of 30% when you sign someone up. So now you can promote someone to go to the One Funnel Away Challenge and you're going to earn $100 per person, $100. Okay. And a lot of the times those people convert into ClickFunnels customers, and ClickFunnels affiliate program has what they call sticky cookies. So even though you just referred them to the One Funnel Away Challenge, once they go through the process of that challenge and end up buying the software, you then get the commission 30%. You don't get 100%, you get 30%. I believe actually they might be changing it to 20%. So you sign up now, because I've heard they're changing it October 31st, 2019, which is coming up soon. They're dropping it down to 20%, and then you have to build up to 30% and then build up to 40%. So definitely hop on that as fast as you can before they change it down. But the great thing again is you're getting, even if it's let's say 30% that you're starting at of $97, right? That's what? That's about 30 something bucks that you get per month. This is a monthly subscription, and you get that just from referring them. If they're on the $297 offer and you're getting 30%, that's what? 30, 60, about $90 something a month. And all you did was refer them once to the One Funnel Away Challenge, and you really don't do anything after that. I would suggest keeping up with them and supporting them and helping them through the process, but you don't have to, because ClickFunnels does a great job of taking them through a process and giving them everything they need to succeed. So it's really, really simple. The main thing is that you pitch this One Funnel Away Challenge to people that who could use it, who you think that would benefit from it. And the One Funnel Away Challenge basically just teaches them how to build a profitable funnel, which, that's great in itself. You should take it. Matter of fact, I'll leave a link, my affiliate link down below, if you want to hop in the One Funnel Away Challenge and give me $100. I would definitely appreciate that for sure. But that's how amazing and how easy this is. I've just pretty much started with being an affiliate. I own ClickFunnels, and I make funnels to promote my baseball business. I have another business, and that's the software that I use to drive traffic to and build my funnels. So I know about it. So I've been using it for a little while now, but I just started telling my friends about it because I made a post on Facebook and I got a ton of interest on it. And I said, you know what, might as well just sign up for the affiliate program if the money is so great. And I started doing this, and it's amazing. It's really easy money. You just share it. Share your affiliate link with people who you think would use it or like it. They click on it. Some of them subscribe, to some of them join, some of them don't. And then ClickFunnels takes them through the process and tries to sell them everything else, and they do a great job of it, and you make money on return. So again, first step I want you to do is sign up for the affiliate bootcamp below, okay? Free. It's totally free. The affiliate bootcamp, totally free. I'll leave that link down there. Once you go through that training, you're going to have a better understanding of everything. The second thing is, I definitely suggest joining the One Funnel Away Challenge just so you can see what's in there. Whether you use my affiliate link or you don't, if you're going to be selling it, I suggest using it, because then you know what you're selling, right? It's going to be easier to sell to the people who you think could use it if you know what the hell you're selling. Okay, so know what you're selling. It's $100. Okay, save up $100. Go through it. You're going to make your $100 back right away, the first person you sell to. Okay, so it's a no-brainer to me. That's the second thing. And then the third thing is just repeat it. Repeat the process, because as they go through the process with ClickFunnels, you're just going to start making more and more money. And if that's what you're about, if you're broke right now, you can't beat this opportunity. Again, it's totally free to join. Oh, the other great thing about being a ClickFunnels affiliate is they give you a car if you get to 100 people. If you get 100 subscribers to the ClickFunnels software, they're going to buy you your dream car, okay, for up to $500 worth a month for a car. And then if you get 200 people, they give you $1,000 a month for a car. Imagine, what kind of car could you get for $1,000 a month? An amazing car, right? That's just another benefit of this affiliate program. So definitely check that out. I would highly suggest it. It's quick, easy money, $100 in your account right away. Like, you can't beat that. You cannot beat that. So check it out. I'll leave all those links down below. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you make tons of money. If you do, come back here and subscribe and say thank you. That's all I want. I just want a subscription with a bell and a thank you. And I will say you're welcome. I'll see you in the next video.